how motorcycle tires are made and fit into the motorcycle. This is a beautiful motorcycle with a beautiful tire, guys. Welcome back to Machine Art Channel. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome and subscribe to the channel. You see, the manufacturing process of motorcycles starts by rolling the rubber skin through different sections of the machine. As you can see, the rubber skin is slapped through the machine and it will roll and roll, smoothing and pass it on to the next section, as the person in charge will be controlling all the sections of the machine that need to be controlled. You can see as some of the valves we go in and out, pull in and out in order to do what? To create a kind of smoothness. And you can see that it also has some section of it that will be sharpening and smoothing this rubber skin. Soon as it is done, it will pass it onto the machine that will create some kind of label or some kind of coloring to give it a definition. That is why you look at some motorcycle, especially when you look at the inside of the motorcycle, you will see that it has some kind of color coding, guys. Soon as it is done, it will pass it to another section where it will be smoothed and some air will be pumped into the rubber. And it is during this process that the iron that needs to be fitted in order to do what? In order to hold the air between the rubber itself and the iron will be passed through, and the air, there is some hot air or some heat will be applied in order to give it a perfect definition and shape. You can see that it was very big, but now it has been compressed. Now, guys, it looks smaller, right? From the big size it was, it has been compressed and some kind of designs has been created through it, and you see it's stronger now, and that is why this tire can run through rugged terrain. You will agree with me that there are some kind of road networks that vehicles cannot pass through, that motorcycle can pass through. As small as the tires of motorcycles are, it can pass through rugged terrain. It's meant to convey goods and humans or animals from one point to the other. So you can see the rings of the tire being fitted in perfectly after compression, right? And you can see right now the tires are being fitted into the motorcycle to give it a perfect finishing. So let's assume that this is a power bike, guys. You can ride this on the streets, dress well, or you can ride this even when you casually dress. And you should also know that some motorcycles run on water, guys. Subscribe to Machine Art Channel for more uploads.